Well, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring and draw 2D shapes. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, first we are coloring the shape of star. And the next one is pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using blue color. And the next one is square. Kids, now we are using yellow color, the color of yellow. Now we are mixing and using the color of yellow. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is circle. Now we are using black color. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid. Kids, now we are coloring the shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.